say, okay, yeah, biology students, this is how you access your reading and your what are called learn smart questions using your online book. So you don't need to use the ebook. How I'll do it is I'll assign reading to you. So when you log in to your ConnectEd account, make sure you're on the biology book. You go up to the menu and you should be able to click assignments or homework. Okay. Mine looks a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but yours should say assignments or homework or something like that. Then your page will look something like this. And it will have due or something, and you'll have a 1 by it. So you know that you have assignment. You click until you can find it says read chapter 1 and answer learn smart questions in this case. You click on that and you'll click and you'll see details. And you'll be able to see the textbook. The textbook looks like this. When you see the Learn Smart LS textbook, you click on the textbook and it will open up. Now, again, my view is going to look a little different because I'm an instructor, but I'll tell you what you should see. When you first open what's called Smart Book, you'll be prompted to answer some questions. You just say next, 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 and say sign in on my own, essentially. Once you do that, something should open that looks like this, that shows all the different chapters in the biology book. Since I asked you to read chapter 1, that's what you'll click on, chapter 1. Chapter 1, once you're there, you can either click on read or practice. When you click on read, in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see that it is the textbook. It gives the outline of the chapter over here on the left. If you don't want to look at the outline, you can click off in the upper left-hand corner on these 4 little squares. See how it turns the outline on and off? I like to have it off when I'm reading, and so you can just read through chapter and page through. All right. Now the questions, when I assign what are called Learn Smart questions, you find when you click the practice button. So you go ahead and click the practice button, and here's the first question. An explanation of natural phenomenon supported by many observations and experiments over time. Do I think I know that? I think I know that. So you can click on that and then choose. All right, I got it right. You'll notice before I press OK, it says 63 items. That means 63 questions. Since I got that one right and press OK, it should go down to 62. Some of these questions are multiple choice. You pick the answer. Some are fill in the blank. Some are true, false. Some are matching. Let's say you're reading the question and you don't really remember it. Okay, instead of just randomly guessing, you can click read about this. And it will bring you to the part in the book where the answer is found. And so then when you go back to the question, you know what the answer is. So those are the Learn Smart questions. What the purpose of it is to increase your comprehension of what you're reading, and to essentially, these are like quiz questions that you can practice. So it increases reading comprehension and helps quiz you on materials that you need to know in chapter 1. So that's how it works.